What's up, guys? We're just going to do a short video today, and we're working on the kids HRR216 Honda mower, and it needs a new air filter. I got it off Amazon pretty cheap. I'll leave a link down below if you need one. And this is going to be similar to pretty much any other mower out there. So basically, this one has a broken tab over here, so this shouldn't be here. But if yours is like this, then just slide it off out of the way. So if yours isn't broken, all you have to do is push down on that tab and then push down on this tab, and there you go. Make sure you clean your lid out so you don't get your brand new filter all dirty. And then, as you can see, the rubber's cracked. It's just overall in filthy condition. It should be this color. Let's get in the sun. There we go. Should be that color. And now you just gotta stick it back in. Give a little wipe down in here, get some of this debris out if there's anything that made it in. If you have an air compressor, you can hit it with that. Then you just want to lay that brand new guy in there. These, if you can see, go like this. And then bam, just slap her back together. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more action, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.